MHT.
Yes.
So, but I don't have for math subject. So should I practice from mains solved papers or by Marvel MHT book?
It is always good if you'll buy Marvel MHT CET. But if you have means booklet, but what is there for MHT CET, the syllabus is customized. It is completely based on upon 11 few topics and 12 board, and that too in reduced part. So if you need, after each and every topic, I will send all the questions along with hint solution. Okay, in your WhatsApp group.
Yes, sir. Can you you will do that today only, right?
Okay, yeah. Now today I am teaching you
Thank you.
binomial distribution. So all the synopsis, all 76 questions, including PYQ, and its answer. That in one PDF I will send in your WhatsApp group. Any doubt?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, actually, that in that group I am not there. So can you please post the link to join the group
Oh.
in the chat section?
You are from which branch?
Godbandar.
Ghodbandar.
Ah, sir.
Okay. So I think you have any other child from Ghodbandar in this meeting?
Yes, sir.
Okay, one. So you are added in that group, MHT CT group.
No, sir.
So
No, sir.
you better contact to your. I think for Ghodbandar, J mains and advanced group is there, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
So in that only you, if you are allowed to post chat, you can text. Otherwise, contact to center in charge or Ghodbandar Road landline number or any number, and
Okay,
inform
sir.
them to create a group and add in that group. Okay.
Okay,
Yes.
sir.
Okay, sir.
Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Do we have 2 attempts for MHT CET this year? This year, as of now, I think only 1 attempt. The exams are going on from 5th of August to 11th of August, right?
Yes, sir.
If it is there, if it is second chance, then I will inform in my lecture. And I hope you already done your registration for the exam. Yes? Okay. Yeah. Again, this is very easy topic. One question will be there for your MHT CET exam from this topic. Binomial distribution. So binomial distribution, before this you have studied probability distribution. Once again I will revise the formula what we have done in that probability distribution. After that we will start binomial distribution. देखो प्रोबेबिलिटी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन में क्या होता है, रैंडम एक्सपेरिमेंट पे स्टडी किया जाता है, उसमें आउटकम सैंपल स्पेस में डिनोट किया जाता है, राइट? कलेक्शन ऑफ ऑल द आउटकम इज सैंपल स्पेस. उसमें से अगर कुछ इवेंट लेते हो तो उसका प्रोबेबिलिटी कितना है वो फाइंड आउट करने के लिए फार्मूला हमने ऑलरेडी देखा है, राइट? So yesterday we have seen, suppose that probability distribution table is there, then we have seen only formula I'll explain. First था mean or expected value. The sum of I is equals to 1 to n xi pi था. Second, variance. Sum of I is equals to 1 to n xi square pi minus sum of I is equals to 1 to n xi pi whole square. And standard deviation. There is a one again symbol. This is standard deviation symbol. Okay. So it is root of variance. Okay. This thing we have discussed in last lecture. Again, which formula was there? I hope this much only. Okay. Then if it is continuous random variable, probability mass function and sum of all probability 1 if it is continuous random variable, then you have to integrate minus infinity to plus infinity, sum of all probability 1. If it is discrete random variable, then this. Okay, so this was there. Again, you have to find same thing, mean, variance, and standard deviation. In this topic also, we are going to find mean, variance, and standard deviation. These are the unit of central tendency, right? Now, I think you have studied mean, mode, and median in your 10th standard. So this is the extended part. Now, what is binomial distribution? Binomial distribution studies Bernoulli's trial, the such kind of experiment where either success or failure, only two things are there. Suppose that you have attempt a MCQ type question. It is only one correct answer out of 4 options. Then what is the probability of success? That is 1 by 4. And what is the probability of failure? 3 by 4. So there are many experiments where you have to study only two things, whether the thing is success or failure. Suppose that a person is going kidney operation, then whether he will survive or die. Expected child, whether boy or girl, right? Such kind of experiment where only in each trial exactly 2 outcome, either success or failure. Such kind of experiments are, such kind of trials are Bernoulli's trial. Again, the probability of success in all the trial remains same. So these are the necessary condition for Bernoulli's trial. Now, in probability of getting X success, suppose that आपके पास MCQ टाइप का क्वेश्चन है जिसमें 2 करेक्ट ऑप्शन है आउट ऑफ 5 ऑप्शन. Okay, so there are 1 minute. Look here, and you attempted whose mic is on? Look here. So I was taking one example of Bernoulli's trial. Suppose that there was MCQ type question. Instead of 2, suppose that 1 correct option out of 5. So what is the probability of success? Probability of success
1 by 5.
1 by 5. Probability of failure
4 by 5.
Okay. 1 minus 1 by 5, that is 4 by 5. So here P plus Q is always 1. P plus Q is always 1. Now, after that, what is probability of getting X success in N Bernoulli's trial? Suppose that the same example, P you got, Q you got. Suppose that you have attempted 7 questions. You have attempted 7 questions. Out of that, what is the probability of getting exact 4 correct answer? What is the probability out of 7 questions you have attempted? What is the exact probability of 4 correct MCQ? You are getting 4 out of 7 marks. Suppose that 1 MCQ is 1 mark. So that formula is this. So probability of capital X is equals to small x. Instead of X, you can take R also. Suppose that if you are finding the same notation, then you can find this R and then your N minus R. Sorry, this is N minus R. Okay. Now look. So if you want to find out of 7, 4 correct answer, then your R will be 4. So probability of probability of X is equals to R, or the formula no need to write, but I am for explanation I'm writing here. NCR P raised to R Q raised to N minus R. So probability of X is equals to exactly 4, then 7 C4. P is probability of correct. देखो 5 में से 1 correct है, so probability of success है 1 by 5. raised to 4 into remaining 4 by 5 raised to 7 minus 4. So it will be NCR the fact formula मालूम है आपको 7 its factorial 4 its factorial 7 minus 4 its factorial into 1 by 5 raised to 4 4 by 5 raised to 3. Okay. So whatever answer you are getting after simplifying, that thing is your probability of getting or 4 exact correct answer out of 7 if probability of success is 1 by 5 and probability of failure is 4 by 5. I hope you understood this part. Any doubt up till this part? Sir, there is separate group in MHT CET, sir. Okay, okay. Is there MHT CET separate group? I will ask to coordinator, but one thing is there, except Godbandar student, few student, I think all student they are getting PDF of each and every lecture after the lecture, right? And
The PDF of the lecture, the coordinator used to send it in our group directly. Like the link and the PDF together, they send it.
yeah, they are sending, no? Dhwani, you are
sir.
getting? Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So, as of now, what is Bernoulli's trial? What is probability of R out of N? That also formula you know. Now, how to find mean, variance, and standard deviation in Bernoulli's trial or binomial distribution? See. For the same thing, suppose that N was 7 MCQ you have attempted, right? Probability of success was 1 by 5. Then probability of failure was 4 by 5. Okay. Then how to find mean? Mean का formula है. This is notation for Bernoulli's trial and P. So what is here? N is 7, P is 1 by 5. So mean is N into P. So what is N? 7 and P 1 by 5. Sorry. And here 7 and 1 by 5. That will be 7 by 5 your mean. Now variance NPQ. N is 7, P is 1 by 5, Q is 4 by 5. So whatever you are getting. Then third, standard deviation, root of variance. It will be root of 28 by 25. If you want to simplify, you simplify and whatever answer you are getting, that will be your standard deviation. So only these things are there in this topic. This is a very small topic and easily you can score here 28 by 25. Okay. For standard deviation, you have to take its square root. I hope all the formulas and theory parties you understood. Now we will start taking questions. Okay. Now, first questions are very easy. First few questions. See, actually the topic is very easy. Now, P is the probability of happening of an event and Q is the non-happening, is probability of fail. P is probability of success, Q is probability of failure.
Sir, can you show previous page one more?
You want to take screenshot?
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Yeah.
Done, sir. Thank you.
One boy
Sir,
is
you will be
telling,
sending
sir,
these
whether this topic
photos
was
and
omitted or
PDFs,
not.
right?
No, this topic is there for MHT CET. Not a
Yeah.
single topic is omitted, and from this topic, not a single part was omitted for your 12th standard. So this was the only alone topic where they have not reduced because of COVID. Few part was deleted. No, from this topic nothing was deleted. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
so you'll be sending these photos in the PDF, right?
Yeah. I'm sending all the things in PDF. For this topic, I'm sending you around 78 questions,
Okay.
theory and its hint solution. See,
Yeah, okay, sir.
now for this question, see, P is probability of happening means success and Q is probability of failure. Then the total chances of R success. R success means formula कौन सा आएगा? यही तो आएगा. NCR P raised to R Q raised to N minus R. So he want to check whether you know the formula or not. So this was very easy. Now second, X Bernoulli's style, N is 10, P probability of success. E of X is given. Mean दिया है आपको, तो आपको पता है mean अगर पता है आपको, so E of X का formula you know, N into P, and this is standard notation. This is N, this is P. So N is 10. Okay, and P is what you have to find, and E of X is already given 8. So 8 by 10 is your P. So 0.8 will be your P. So B was the correct answer. Now for C, can you solve this C? This is very easy. Solve this third. Third few, one boy he has written C and remaining boy they are writing B.
Sir, option B.
Option B. Okay. C. इसमें हमें क्या दिया देखो, this is N, this is N, this is P, right? So N is given 10. E of X 5 दिया है, means N into P दिया है 5. Right? So NP दिया है 5 and variance of X होता है NPQ. So out of that NP is already 5 into Q is equals to variance क्या दिया है? Okay. Okay. NP तो 5 है. Then N is given P. E of X is given 5. हाँ N दिया है ना 10. तो 10 यहाँ पर आएगा. So it will be P already यहाँ से ही निकलेगा आपका. 5 by 10 is equals to P. So 1 by 2. P आएगा 1 by 2. Q भी आएगा 1 by 2. Right? So variance is N into P into Q. So it will be 5 by 4. Okay.
Sir,
Okay,
N
what-
will be 10, right?
What he has asked P. P is 1 by 2. And variance we are of a NPQ. N is 5 into P is 1 by 2.
N
Q
is
is 1
10.
by
Sir,
2.
option D आएगा ना sir? Because 5
Sir,
by
D
4 आ रहा है हमका
Sir,
variance.
Yes. Yes, beta, any doubt?
sir,
N is
N is
10.
10, right? You wrote 5.
N is 10. So 5 by 10, no? So 1 by 2 आएगा ना?
Sir, in variance.
Sir, variance में 10 by 4 आएगा
Here it
ना,
is
5
10.
by 2.
Here it is 10. Okay. Here it is 10. Right. So it will be 10 by 4. 1 minute. So 5 by 2. 1 by 2 and 5 by 2. Yes. हमने यहाँ पर N5 लिया था जो कि 10 है. ओके. नेक्स्ट. फोर्थ वाला देखो. Can you solve this fourth and fifth? सॉल्व दिस फोर्थ एंड फिफ्थ. फोर्थ में क्या दिया देखो, E of x means NP is given 5 and variance NPQ is given 2.5. ए NP का वैल्यू यहाँ पर डाल दो, Q का वैल्यू मिल जाएगा, Q का वैल्यू मिलने के बाद P भी मिल जाएगा. Yes, A is the correct option. देखो NP5 दिया है, NPQ दिया है 2.5 because variance दिया है, right? So Q is equals to 2.5. NP तो already 5 था, so it will be half, means 0.5. So Q आएगा 0.5, तो P भी आएगा. ओके, हमें क्या पूछा है, N and P. So P भी आएगा 0.5, Q 0.5 तो P भी 0.5. अभी P आपको पता है, तो यहां से E of x में वैल्यू पुट कर दो. So N into 0.5 is equals to 5. So N is equals to 5 by 0.5. So it will be 10. तो N आ गया 10 and P आ गया 0.5. So 10 and 0.5 is the correct answer. Fifth student, they have solved and they have written D. Let's see. Now see, a die is thrown 5 times, N is equals to 5. What is given, N is equals to 5? If getting an odd number is considered as success, आउटकम क्या हो गया, 1 2 3 4 5 6, तो इसमें से ऑड है 1 3 एंड 5. सो इफ ऑड नंबर, तो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग ऑड इज 3 out of 6, दैट इज P है हाफ, Q भी आ जाएगा हाफ. ओके, देन द वेरिएंस VR ऑफ x हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. वेरिएंस का फॉर्मूला है NPQ. N तो दिया है 5, P है हाफ, Q है हाफ. So it will be 5 by 4. So 5 by 4 is D answer. Okay. Now in question number 6, solve this 6. If you have solved, write in the chat box. Yes, write in the chat box. Sixth, few students they have written C, few students they have written D. Say in this question, in tossing 10 coins, N is 10. Probability of getting exactly 5 head. देखो कॉइन टॉस किया है, तो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग हेड, दैट इज P कितना आएगा, प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ हेड P आएगा हाफ, Q आएगा हाफ. ओके, NPQ मालूम है आपको, देन व्हाट यू हैव टू फाइंड. हाँ, एग्जैक्टली 5. P of x is equals to 5 हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. हमें फॉर्मूला पता है, P of x is equals to R is equals to क्या है, NCR, right? NCR P raised to R Q raised to N minus R. This is probability of x is equals to R. हमें है 5, so out of 10 10, C 5, half raised to 5, QB half है 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5 means again 5. Okay, so it will be 10 its factorial, 5 its factorial, 10 minus 5 its factorial into 1 by 2. ये half आ जाएगा. Okay, 5 plus 5 भी हो जाएगा 10. Let it be. So 10 को 5 factorial into 6 into 7 into 8 into 9 into 10 divided by 5 its factorial. So remaining here 10 minus 5 is 5 factorial means again 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, here 1 into 2 का power 5 क्या आएगा? 4 into 4 16 into 2
32.
2 का पावर 10 ही कर दो ना.
हाँ चलेगा. 2 का पावर 10 भी करोगे बट सिंप्लीफाई करने के लिए ये तो कैंसिल हो गया. 5 2 जा कैंसिल, 4 2 जा 3 3 जा 2 2 जा 32 अगर है यहाँ पर तो 2 18 जा 16 जा. Then simplify this. Okay,
63 by 250.
63 by 256.
63 by 2
256.
256.
256. So the answer is D. Answer is D.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now try to solve this. Sir, वो 10 minus 5 factorial क्या हुआ? One boy is asking 10 minus 5 factorial क्या हो गया? बेटा 10 minus 5 factorial था ना, उसी का 5 factorial बन के 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 लिखा था मैंने डाउन साइड में यहाँ पर. ओके, अंडरस्टूड भाव्या? ओके सर, cumulative distribution function is cancelled, right? For this, yeah, from that previous topic you are asking, I think, probability distribution. Yes, it was cancelled. Okay, I think 201738 he was asking. 201738 your branch, कौन से branch से हो आप? अंधेरी. ओके ठीक है. नेक्स्ट, कैन यू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन 7th वाला? Try to solve 7th answer. Few students they are writing A B D. A B D means A C भी लिखा है एक ने, so 7th का ही लिखता हो. आंसर C 7th. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 ऐसा डाल के देखो तो मुझे पता चल जाएगा. ओके, नाउ सी what is given here. Probability that an event A happens in a trial is 0.4. तो P दिया है 0.4 तो Q आ जाएगा 0.6. If 3 independent trials are made, then the probability that n is equals to 3, then the A happens at least one दिया है, मीन्स यहाँ पर हमें x फाइंड आउट करना है. एटलीस्ट 1 मीन्स 1 से ग्रेटर. अंडरस्टूड? इसका प्रोबेबिलिटी हमें फाइंड आउट करना है.
3 तक ही जाएगा ना?
हाँ देखो, then the probability that A happens at least once एटलीस्ट वंस मीन्स 1 भी होगा, 2 भी होगा, 3 भी होगा, राइट? सो हमें ये फाइंड आउट करना है प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ x, ये क्या है, ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 1। तो इसे हम इंडिविजुअल ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ x इज इक्वल टू 1 प्लस प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ x इज इक्वल टू 2 प्लस प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ x इज इक्वल टू 3, बट हियर अगेन दिस इज वेरी लेंथी प्रोसेस। सो I know that p plus remaining means 1 होता है, तो can I write 1 minus probability of x is equals to 0? So 1 minus probability of x is equals to 0. So obviously the answer is 1, 2, and probability of 1 plus probability of 2 plus probability of 3. Now this is because p plus q is 1. Now 1 minus same thing, n कितना है आपका 3, c है ना 0, क्योंकि यहाँ पर 0 लिया x, तो p कितना है 0.4। आप फ्रैक्शन में रख दो या फिर 4/10 कर दो, वो भी चलेगा, 4/10 कर दो, 4/10 raised to 0 and 6/10 raised to n minus r. So it will be 3 and here it will be 3 minus 0. ठीक है,
सी है करंट।
सर 4/10 टू द पावर 0 आएगा ना?
4/10 to the power
0 आना चाहिए ना?
The p to the power r है ना, so it will be 0.
n minus r, so it will be 3 minus, right? So it is the 1 only. So 3 is factorial upon 0 is factorial and 3 minus 0 is factorial into 4/10 raised to 0 means 1 into 6 का 3 times upon 10 का 3 times. Okay, so 3 factorial and 3 factorial will get cancelled. So obviously it is nothing but 36 into 3, 1 minus, yeah, 36 into 6. Right?
216.
1000, but ये 1 minus है, क्योंकि ये 1 minus है ना, so it will be 1000 minus 216 divided by 1000. So it will be, I think, 708, 0.784.
Yes, sir.
784 divided by 1000. So it will be 0.784. Okay. Now try to solve this 8th wala question. Mean and variance of a binomial variate x and 4 and 2 respectively. Mean, what is given? Mean and variance दिया है. Okay. Then you have to find p of x is equals to 1. If mean and variance is given, mean means n into p and variance means n into p into q. So substitute the value of np, you will get the value of q if you substitute invariance. If you know q, you will get p. And if you know npq, then you can easily find out p of x is equals to 1. So 8th answer 1, A. Few students they have written 8th answer A. See, E of x is given. Mean means E of x. And V of x or VR of x, it is NPQ is equals to 2. So from here, if you put the value, so Q is equals to 2 by 4, that is half. Q अगर half आ गया, this implies P is again half. P half है ना, and if you substitute this value in E of X, then you will get the value of N. Now N into P तो 4 दिया है, P तो है half, so N आ जाएगा 8. Okay, now I know N, I know the value of N, I know the value of P, right? I know the value of Q also, and I know what to find, exactly 1. So probability of X is equals to 1 is equals to N तो कितना है आपका 8, यहाँ से C 1, P का वैल्यू है half raised to 1 and Q का वैल्यू है half raised to 8 minus 1. So it will be 8 its factorial, 1 its factorial, 8 minus 1 its factorial into 1 by 2 का power 1 and 1 by 2 का power 8 minus 1, that is 7. So 8 factorial, 1 factorial तो 1 ही आता है, into 8 minus 1 7 factorial. So 8 factorial और 7 factorial से कट हो जाएगा तो सिर्फ 8 ही बच जाएगा, and 1 by 2 raised to 1, 1 by 2 raised to 7. Now simplify, you will get the answer. Simplify करो, आपको आंसर मिल जाएगा.
1 by 32, A option.
Yeah, 1 by 32. Okay. Okay. Now 8 is done. Okay, this half part is 2 and 1, huh? It is clear. So now you try to solve this 9, 10. Ninth answer, few students they are writing C. I guess which is correct. Okay, 9th C. Now you write 10th. 10th का क्या आएगा देखो. Option B for 10th. ठीक. Okay, 10th का D लिख रहे हैं. Few students they are writing D also. Few students they are writing C also. So 10th में आपको थोड़ा confusion हो रहा है. C for 9th. 9th का तो C fix है. 10th का देखो. C. You need 2 more minute. चलो सबका नहीं हुआ है, 2 मिनट में और दे देता हूँ, आप सॉल्व करो. Okay, sir, please wait. Okay, I'll wait. हो गया?
1 minute, sir, 1 minute. Last one.
Sir, could you show the 12th one?
Yes, yes. Wait 1 minute. So first, I will solve this question. Wait 1 minute. What happened? Oof. See, what is given? Mean and variance of a binomial distribution are 4 and 2. So mean was given. Mean means E of x. E of x, that is n into p, that was 4. And variance, VR of x is np cube, that was given 2. So substitute this value here, so we'll get 4 into q is equals to 2, so q is equals to half again. If q is half, then p is again half. Then what you have to find? Then the probability of 2 success means x is equals to 2. Here you have to find x is equals to 2. So if we put p of x is equals to 2, then it will be n. N is what? Again you have to find n here. Yeah. P is half. So put that value in here, E of x. So it will be n into half is equals to 4. So n is equals to 8. P of x is equals to 2 is equals to n is 8, C exact 2. Then P is what given? Half. Raised to 2 into Q is again half. Raised to 8 minus 2, that is 6. So it will be 8 its factorial, 2 its factorial, 8 minus 2, that is 6 its factorial, 1 by 2 raised to 2, and 1 by 2 raised to 6. Now if you simplify, you will get the answer. What was the answer?
Option C, 7 by 6.
Yes, yes. Option C, 7 by, oh, sorry, here, 7 by 64. Right. Next. Shall I erase this? Now for this 10th, mean and variance of binomial, oh, 10th is again like same only. I'll write directly. NP is equals to 2 and variance means NPQ is equals to 1. So if you put NP value 2, so Q is equals to, Q into 2 is equals to 1. So Q is equals to half. If Q is half, implies P is half. Then probability of, if P is half, then you can get N here also. So N into half is equals to 2. So N is equals to 4. Now what I have to find? Probability that X takes value greater than 1. It means you have to find probability of X greater than or equals to what is given? The probability that X
Greater than.
takes value
Greater than
greater
1.
than 1. Okay, greater than 1. So out of
1
4,
minus P equal to 0 and P equal
yeah, 1 minus P of X is equals to 0, right?
to. And
तो
minus P of X
P
equal to
x
1.
is equal to 1 भी होगा.
1 भी
सर
होगा.
क्योंकि इक्वल टू काउंट नहीं करना है ना, इक्वल टू नहीं दिया है.
Okay, okay. Plus,
Equal.
yes, yes. Right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So you know how to find P of X is equals to 0, P of X is equals to 1. I guess you can easily solve this. Any doubt? Now see what is given here. A contest consists of predicting the result of win or draw or defeat. It means there are 3 chances, right? Now, of 7 football matches, what is the prediction? The probability that an entry sent by Hemant based on his random predictions will consist of exactly 4 correct predictions. Okay. It means probability of success. The match, either he will win or draw or tie. So probability of success is 1 out of 3. Probability of failure is 2 out of 3. Understood? Now again, what is given? N is equals to 7. Total matches are 7. And we have to find P of X is equals to 4.
So can you please zoom the screen? It's not visible clearly.
Okay, okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. I'll do. Now is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See. Total football matches were 10. So n is equals to 10. I'll write here. N is equals to, 7. N is equals to 7. The match, whether win, draw, or tie, it means chances of winning. Means what is the probability of success? If win is the success, then 1 out of 3. So P is equals to 1 by 3. So Q is equals to 2 by 3. You know P, you know Q, and N is also there. And Hemant, based on his random prediction, what will be, it consists of exactly 4 correct predictions. It means we have to find P of X is equals to 4. So formula, you know that N is 7, C, R is 4. What is P? 1 by 3 raised to 4. What is Q? 2 by 3 raised to 7 minus 4. That is 3. So 7 is factorial upon 4 is factorial, 7 minus 4 is factorial into 1 by 3. 2 by 3 raised to 3 power means 2 into 2 into 2 upon 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, you can easily find out. So what is the, after simplification, what is the correct answer? Can you write in a chat box? Yes. C.
C option.
Okay. So C is the correct option, 280 by 3 raised to 7, 3 to the power 7. Try to solve 12th question.
Sir, could you please scroll down?
Yes. You want to see answers, options?
Yes, sir.
Shall I erase this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'll read the 12th question. Is it clearly visible? If 6 dice are rolled, then the probability that at least half of them will show at least 3. It means what is your sample space? You will get either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. Understood? N is equals to 6 is given. Probability that half of them will show at least 3. At least 3. At least 3 means including 3. Okay. So 3, 4, 5 or 6. So what will be the probability of getting success? At least 3 means maybe 3, maybe 4, maybe 5 or maybe 6. So 4 out of 6. So P will be 4 out of 6, which can be after simplification in 2 by 3. What will be Q? 2 by 6. Right?
1 by 3.
1 by 3. Right. After simplification, 1 by 3. So you know N, you know P, you know Q. And I have to find half of them. Okay. At least half of them will show 3. Okay. It means probability that at least half of them will show at least 3 is given. At least 3 means probability of X greater than equals to 3. Probability of X greater than equals to 3 you have to find. C is the correct option. One boy has written many times. Okay. So N is what? 6. 6 C3. P is what? 2 by 3. I will change the color. 2 by 3 raised to 3. And what is q? 1 by 3. 1 by 3 raised to 3 again. So if you simplify 6 its factorial, then 3 its factorial, 6 minus 3 its factorial into 2 by 3 raised to 3 into 1 by 3 raised to 3. Whatever your answer getting. So the correct answer is, I guess one boy he has written C. Is it correct? C option? Yeah, you can do like this also. 1 minus probability of x is equals to 1 plus probability of x is equals to 2. Okay, here greater than 3 now. Oh. Greater than 3, it means either you can take 1 minus probability of x is equals to 1 plus probability of x is equals to 2. This is one method of calculating greater than or equals to 3. Or the second one, probability of x is equals to 1, 3 plus probability of x is equals to 4 plus probability of x is equals to 5 plus probability of x is equals to 6. So this was very lengthy process. So better you can calculate if it is greater than or equals to 3, 1 minus probability of x is equals to 1 plus probability of x is equals to 2. So individually you have to find here, add and subtract from 1, you will get the answer. Sir, explain please how you got P and Q. See, बेटा कितने हैं यहाँ पर 6 डाइस थ्रो किए, राइट? तो आउटकम क्या है? सॉरी, n is equals to 6. 6 डाइस थ्रो किए तो n is equals to 6. Easily understood. So first thing is clear. Now, probability that at least half of them will show 3. So you will get either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. मेरा सक्सेस क्या है? मेरा सक्सेस है 3 या 3 से ग्रेटर. 3 या 3 से greater मेरा success है. It means if I'll get 3, then also I'll win 4, 5 or 6. So 4 chances out of 6. So 4 by 6 is my P. It means if after simplifying 2 by 3. Now what is Q? Q होता है 1 minus P. 1 minus 2 by 3, that is 2 by 1 by 3. Directly you can find out. Otherwise here these are failures. So out of 6, 2. So it is 1 by 3. So you know N, P and Q. If you know N, P and Q, I have to find probability of x greater than or equals to 3. Probability of x greater than or equals to 3 can find out करने के लिए probability of 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. If you calculate individually, it will take it is very lengthy process or it will take time. So better 1 minus probability of failure. So we'll get probability of success. Answer is not matching. Answer is not matching with this. So I ask you, what is the answer? So C, one boy he has written, that's why I told you it may be C. I have to find this probability. I'll read the answer. Question number 12. 12 का आंसर है A. 41 into 2 to the power 4 upon 3 to the power 6. Yeah. So A is the correct answer. Any doubt?
No, sir. Sir, could you show the 13th question?
13. Okay. Is it visible 13th?
Yes, sir.
Sir, the color is very.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
then the 12th one, the denominator 3 raised to 5 is coming, not 3 raised to 6.
For 12th or 13 you are asking?
12th one, sir. 3 raised to 5 is
12th
coming in the
is
denominator.
answer this given. 3 to the power 6.
But because I'm solving, sir, in denominator 3 is to 5 is coming, not 3 is to 6.
Instead of 6, it is coming 5.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then I think the Marwar publication they have
Yes, sir.
mistake. The answer is 3 to the power 5. Yes.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, in 14th one, it's 9 into p to power x. P of x is equal to 4. In 14th question.
In 14th question, n is 6 and p is p only this.
नहीं sir, after that and के बाद क्या लिखा है वो 9
multiplied by.
Okay.
This is equation given. You have to substitute the values. Yes, but Vignesh Pai, he's telling no, sir. So, sir, if the probability of at most 3 would have asked, then okay. Any doubt, Vignesh? 2122. Sir, the 12th question, 3 to the power 6 is correct. One boy is telling 3 to the power 6 is correct. Do you need to solve this 12th question? Do you want answer of 12th question, full answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I need little bit space. So I'll solve here. Which was that question? 12th. S is given sample space. Wait 1 minute. Now P. P is what? Getting number exact 3 or more than 3. So P is 4 out of 6. So it will be 2 by 3. Q will be 1 by 3. Understood? Now again, n is equals to 6 given. I have to find probability of x which is greater than or equals to 3. So it was 1 minus probability of x is equals to 1 plus probability of x is equals to 2.
तो 0 भी आएगा ना?
It was 1 minus. Yes, any doubt?
तो 0 भी आएगा ना? Probability of 0. 1
Probability
minus p of 0.
0 you are telling?
So p is equal p x is equal to 0 will also be there.
Yes, sir. 0 भी हो सकता है.
How, sir? How? This, sir, we are not playing dice only if we take 0.
अगर कोई भी डाइस में 3 नहीं आया तो
लेकिन 6 डाइस पे क्या 6 का
It means that no dice will show at least 3.
यस सर सब में अगर 3 से कम आया तो
Any doubt? Individual you can solve like 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see. We'll do. First, we'll solve like this. You are telling that probability x is equals to 0, like this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
In
Yes,
this case, you have to solve 3 equations. So better we will, instead of this, probability of x is equals to 3 plus probability of x is equals to 4 plus probability of
Sir,
x
if
is
we
equals
take
to... Yes.
Sir, I have solved this. I got A option correct.
Yes, A option means the question was only 2 to the 3 to the power either 5 or
Sir, 3 to the power 6 ही आएगा.
यस
3 to the power 6 आ रहा है ना. So n is what? 6.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, if we take x equal to 0, then how it is possible? So that means that we are not showing any dice only if it is x equal to 0.
No, it means that no dice is showing at least 3. That's what
Now
it
we
means.
have taken.
See. One thing I want to tell you that p of x is equals to 0, it will come. Why? Because the p of 0, 1, 2, 3, they are not from your sample space. These entries are not from sample space. These are the entries. How many times you are getting success? 0 time getting success, 1 time getting success, 2 time getting success, 3 time, 4 time, 5 or 6. It means that is related with this n. वो सैंपल स्पेस से रिलेट नहीं था, इसलिए वो वही आएगा 1 minus probability of x is equals to 0 plus probability of x is equals to 1 plus probability of x is equals to 2, right? So this was the correct thing. Understood?
Got it, sir. Got it. Thank you, sir.
Yes. Okay. So either you solve by this way or this way. So the answer, this is correct.
The one spammer has come. D154 Shubham.
Name his name.
D154 Shubham.
शुभम बेटा, अगर आप ज्वाइन हो गए हो, पढ़ने के लिए आए हो ना, then why you are making noise? If you are not interested, you can leave the meeting. Okay? I think he is not now in the meeting. Now solve this 13th one. So in this 13th question, what is given? N and P. P of x is equals to 1 is equals to this, and P of x is equals to 2 is this. And we have to find P. So you will get two equations. From that equation, you can easily find out answer. So 13th, few students they are writing B. Few students they are writing D. So I will give you 2 minutes. Solve this. Yes. Yes, any doubt? See, for this 13th question. See this 13th question.
Mike Bunker.
1 minute.
Sir, D141 around now.
See, for this question.
सर फोर्स म्यूट कर दो सर, किसी को डाउट होगा तो वो टाइप करके पूछ लेंगे.
Sir,
1 minute.
सर उसने लीव कर दी.
What was his name?
so first D150 Shubham, then D140 around, then no. These
Okay.
many different names.
For all.
मीटिंग क्लोज कर दो, वो ज्वाइन नहीं करेगा.
Okay. Wait 1 minute. Oh, see. In this question, probability of x is equals to 1 is given. You know what is probability of x is equals to 1? I need little bit space, so yes, for this 13th question. Probability of x is equals to 1, it was given 0.4096. Okay. Next. Wait 1 minute. So probability of x is equals to 1. It means n is given 5. N C R P raised to R Q raised to n minus R. That was the formula, right? Based upon this, n is 5. So I will write 5C. R is 1. What is P? P is nothing. P was not given. So I will put P. It is variable. Now what is Q? I know that there is a relation between P and Q. P plus Q is 1. So Q is 1 minus P. P raised to this 1 and Q raised to 5 minus 1, that is 4, is 0.4096. Okay. Now I know how to find this. 5 is factorial, 1 is factorial, 5 minus 1 is factorial. P into 1 minus P raised to 4. That will be 0.4096. So it is 5 factorial and downside 5 minus 1, that is 4 factorial. 4 factorial and 5 factorial, if we'll cancel, then only 5 will remain. So only 5 P 1 minus P raised to 4 is equals to 0.4096. So if we'll divide, then P 1 minus P raised to 4, you will get one number. That was your equation number 1. Okay. Now again it is given probability of x is equals to 2 is 0.2048. So the second condition, again you can find one equation, x is equals to 2 is 0.2048. So you will get another equation. Now if you divide first equation by second equation, equation 1 upon equation 2. So it will be linear equation or quadratic equation. It may be quadratic. P में quadratic मिल जाएगा and you can get value of P. For quadratic equation, you will get two values. One is acceptable, another is not acceptable. P is always less than equals to 1. Okay. So 1 या 1 से छोटा जो value देगा वही आंसर होगा. Sir, question number 12. If probability of at most 3 would have asked, then should we exclude 3 or include 3? At most, you have to include that. Include. दूसरा इक्वेशन की जरूरत नहीं है, एक में ही हो जाएगा. यस, अगर यहां पर ही निकलते हो, यस, दिस इज आल्सो इन वन वेरिएबल. Here from this equation also you can easily find out value of P. Good. And the answer is 1/2. Okay, so there was no need of giving this second. From 1 only you can easily find out. Now next. Same way, this question number 14 is also there. See, question number 14. In this question, one equation is given. Right? So 9 into, I'll write here 9 into. Probability of x is equals to 4. आपके पास formula पता है, right? 9C4. What is P? P is P only. Raised to 4. What is Q? Q is 1 minus P. Raised to 9 minus 4, that is 5. Understood? Is equals to probability of x is equals to 2. So 9C2 P raised to 2. Again Q is 1 minus P. raised to 9 minus 2 is 7. Now here you will get equation in variable p. Okay, 9c4 आपको पता है 9 its factorial, 4 its factorial, 9 minus 4 its factorial. So 9 factorial, 4 factorial, 5 its factorial. 9 को आप 5 factorial into 6 into 5 factorial. Okay, 9 है ना, ठीक है, into 6 into 7 into 8 into 9. So 5 will get cancelled. Simplify this. Same way here also. You will get the value of p. Any doubt? Yes, one boy, Sandeep, I think. Sankalp. Yes, Sankalp.
सर n6 दिया है ना, तो 6c4 आएगा और वहां पे 6c2 आएगा.
Right. Here n was given 6. Good. So instead of 9, you have to write 6. Okay. So I have to write once again. 9 into n was given 6. So 6c4 p raised to 4, 1 minus p raised to 2 is equals to 6c2 p raised to 2, 1 minus p raised to 4. Okay. Now from this equation you will get the value of p. Yes, any doubt?
Sir,
Yes.
the 13-1 answer is D, not A.
13-1?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Shall I erase this? Solve and find the answer of this 14th question. Fourteenth answer C. Okay, one boy he has written A answer. फोर्टीन का सी आएगा 1/4. It was quadratic in P. If you'll find the roots of quadratic equation, then the answer was -half and 1/4. Now next. Question number 15. In this 15th, what is given? N is equals to 4. So N and P is given, and P of X is equals to 0 is given. Then P of X. Okay. So P of X is equals to 0, you know that. N is 4. C0. P raised to 0. 1 minus P raised to 4. This was given 16/81. So you will get the equation in P. P raised to 0, 1. 1 minus P raised to 4 is equal to 16/81. So you will simplify, you will get value of P. If you know value of P, put here, you will get the answer. Yes. Answer B. The student they are writing B answer. Fifteen solve करो. If you have finished 15, solve this 16. 16 was 16 is also like that previous question. Seventeenth question is visible for you. Try to solve 17th also. I think 17th, 18th also you can solve. I will start with this question. (22). See what is given. N and P is given. So you can easily find out Q also. Q आएगा आपका 0.9. 1 minute. Then P of X is greater than or equals to 1 is equals to what? Substitute the formula, you will get the answer. N is given, P is given, Q is given. And R is also given. For this 23rd, N is given, P is given, Q is again 0.5. Then probability of X greater than or equals to 7. Means probability of X greater than or equals to 7 is equals to probability of X is equals to 7 plus probability of X is equals to 8 plus probability of X is equals to 9 plus probability of X is equals to 10. So individually you have to find out and write the answer. Here again 24 is also same. Q is 0.5 greater than or equals to 9 out of 10. So probability of X is equals to 9 plus probability of X is equals to 10. Okay. For 22, answer is 1 minus 0.9 raised to 20. Yeah, C. Sir, please do 17th. Okay. I will do. First, you try to solve this up to 24. Then you will complete this 24. I will go back with that 17th question. Now look at this 17th question. (100) of identical coins, each of with probability P. Probability is in between 0 and 1 is given. If the probability of head showing on 50 coins means probability of X is equals to 50 is equals to the probability of X is equals to 51. ये दिया है, right? बस हमें वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है ना? N is equals to what? N is given 100, है ना? फर्स्ट केस में R बन जाएगा 50, सेकेंड केस में R बन जाएगा 51. तो इक्वेशन बन जाएगा P में. Yes, any doubt? P would be half. Yes, because probability of head and tail ही आता है cos. तो P half आ जाएगा, Q half आ जाएगा. Okay. I think you understood this question. Similarly, 18th is also easy. Now, 23, 24, I will explain you how to solve. Now try to solve 25th. (24, 24, 23rd and 4th, I have explained you how to solve. Now see in 25th question, if a fair coin is tossed 5 times, means n is equals to 5. Then the probability of getting at least 5 heads, at least 2 heads. Okay. ये हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. एक कॉइन टॉस किया है तो ऑब्वियसली पी क्या है, हाफ है. क्यू क्या है, हाफ है. इट मे बी हेड और टेल, बट इट इज गिवन हेड. So probability of getting head is half, not getting head is half. तो ये तो easy है. Solve this 726th. A is the answer of 25th. Okay. 25th का A आ रहा है. Or what about other student? You write down question number and its answer so that I in chat box I can read. 26th A, 25th C. So for few student 25th they are getting C answer. Okay, and 26th A. Okay. So for 25th it is very easy. P of x greater than equals to 2. आपको पता है formula क्या है, right? How many n was 5. So probability of x is equals to 1 minus probability of x is equals to 0 plus probability of x is equals to 1 plus probability बस इतना ही. So 25th answer you are telling, you are asking. So 25th answer है C. 25th answer ये दिया C. 13 by 16. Simplify this. 23rd, 26 I'll explain. C. 26 मैंने अभी explain नहीं किया था. Look here, workers in an industry have a 10% of catching from an disease, right? Probability that out of 6, n is equals to 6 given. n क्या दिया है आपको 6. At least 5 will catch the disease. Miss catch the disease ये probability of success है. Miss P है 10 by 100. 10 out of 100. That is 1 by 10. Q क्या आ जाएगा 9 by 10. Okay. At least 5. N 6 है. So at least 5 means x. कम से कम 5. Means x is greater than or equals to 5. So probability of x is equals to 5 plus probability of x is equals to 6. Okay. हाँ. A. ठीक है. Simplify, you will get the answer A. I hope you understood this chapter. So I will send all the PDF of this chapter in your WhatsApp group. Now I'm sending. Yes, I will send PDF of this chapter in your WhatsApp group. If you have any doubt related with this topic, you can ask me. Yes, you can unmute yourself.
So,
Huh?
so that WhatsApp group which you are mentioning, can you please add us in that WhatsApp group? Like we get our notes in the official group of PACE, but with many messages, the notes go up and like that.
Okay, other messages also you are getting, so you are in trouble. So you want separate MHT CET group for which?
So there is a separate MHT CET group, like we got to know that, but how do we get added in that group?
So,
yes, sir. Actually, we don't know what you send in the group. We get only the class notes and the link and
okay.
meeting recording.
So whatever in group you are added, from where you are getting this Zoom link, check the admin and call to that admin. So I want to add in this group. Take the screenshot of this group in which you want to add from
So
your friend.
we don't have any screenshot or anything. We just know that there is a group, but like at least I am not able to join that group because I wrote the message, but ma'am didn't reply maybe, or I don't know what happened. But yeah, no, the notes which I get in my group, I'm getting all the notes, but then with many messages, the notes go up. That's why, like, if there is if we can join this separate group, then we will have all the notes in one group itself.
Okay, okay. So for which branch you are asking? Godbandar.
Andheri. Sir, I
Andheri.
am from Godbandar. Even I want to join in that group. We get our notes in the group, but if we can join the separate group, it would be good.
Okay, okay.
So for me, the issue is that आप extra कितना भेजते हो that I don't get to know. I know only the today class notes. This one PDF I received, but I don't know if you send extra notes or extra questions for practice. I won't be knowing that. So I want to get joined in it.
Yes, yes.
The same case is with Chembur also.
Okay, okay.
Yes, sir. Many people from Andheri want to join too.
So is this separate group for MHCET?
Yeah, yeah. I'm sending.
So I also want to join.
Yes, yes. Wait, wait. I'm informing sir also to join the group so that he's coordinating. So he will understood what is your problem. Wait. Okay. Apart from this, anything?
So what is the link for a separate MHCET group?
A link for separate MHT CET group.
Yes, sir.
So, wait. I'm informing coordinator to join.
Okay.
Wait.
Okay, sir.
एक मिनट. Yes, you can ask your doubt because coordinator sir is here. He joining the meeting. If you need any help, he will guide you.
Hello, sir. Can you please share the link for the separate MHT CET group in this chat section?
Yes, sir, you are there. Sridhar sir. Wait, he is joining. Yes, I think he's there.